Hey everyone, have you ever thought about how powerful your vacation can be? Let's dive into how your next getaway can make a huge difference in local communities. First off, imagine this. Instead of just hitting the tourist traps, you decide to explore the hidden gems of a small town. You're not just a visitor, you're a guest in someone's hometown. Every meal you eat at a local diner, every night you stay at a family-run B&B, and every trinket you buy from a craftsman's stall, you're directly contributing to the local economy, but it goes deeper than that. When you spend your money locally, you're supporting real people with real dreams. Take the time to chat with the shop owner who tells you about the history of their goods, or the chef who shares the story behind their signature dish. These interactions turn your trip into a meaningful experience and create a ripple effect of positivity. Now let's talk about sustainability. By choosing to vacation in less commercialized areas, you're helping to reduce the strain on over-touristed destinations. This not only preserves natural beauty, but also ensures that communities can thrive without the adverse effects of mass tourism. It's a win-win. Another fantastic way to support local communities is to participate in community-driven projects. Maybe it's a beach cleanup day or a cultural exchange workshop. These activities not only enrich your travel experience, but also foster a sense of global community. You get to leave a positive mark and walk away with unforgettable memories. Consider this. Your next vacation could be more than just a break from routine. It could be a chance to make a real difference. By prioritizing local businesses and being mindful of the impact of your travels, you're not just a tourist, you're a force for good. And here's a pro tip. Do a little research before you go. Look for destinations that promote eco-tourism and community-based tourism. Check out local festivals and events that celebrate the heritage and culture of the place you're visiting. This way, you're making sure that your travel dollars are going where they're needed most. So, next time you're planning a trip, think about how your choices can support local communities. Every small action counts, and together we can create a more connected and compassionate world. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make every vacation count. See you next time.